Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash that like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. I got a new unboxing for you guys today. As you can see, it's from GetFPV. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. GetFPV sticker. Transporter 2 HDs from Emax. So these are Transporter 2 goggles from Emax, but these are the special ones, HD it says, because these things are digital goggles, HDZero to be exact. So let's get inside. Need the bat knife again. Okay, looks like the same deal. Got the goggles right here. So let's see the accessories we got in here. Again, we got two more of these little antennas. We have a USB data cable, USB Type-C that is. And we also have this little HDZero plug. Paperwork cards in here. So there we go. Pull these off. So check it out. I think these, yes, so these pop off the same way. So this is a digital monitor. I went for this one because, in case you guys haven't noticed, I really like flying with monitors, and occasionally I fly with goggles, but this was the only way that I know of that you can get a monitor that flies HDZero. Right now they got the game locked in this department. So we got HDZero on a goggle that separates to a monitor, guys, and I think it has a, not sure if it has a record function. That'll be awesome if it did. Let's see. So nothing really to see here. It's the same thing. So if you guys watched the other video that I had, I got the Mobile 6 HDZero. And so I'm going to fly it using this thing here. So one more piece to the puzzle, because that thing has ELRS. So you guys can expect a full review of this unit here. I'll tell you guys what I think of it. The Emax Transporter 2 HD goggles with HDZero. Thanks for watching.